how to use Pipedrive Smart Docs. In this video, I'll show you how to use Pipedrive Smart Docs. So to get started, go ahead and open Pipedrive into your preferred browser, and then go ahead and click on the deals icon at the left side of your screen. So this is presented by the dollar icon. So click on that, and then from here, go ahead and select a lead that you want to use. So simply click on a lead that you want to use, and then from here, go ahead and head over into the Documents tab. So go ahead and select a lead first from this list that you have in here, and then head over into the Documents tab from here. So in here, you'll be able to find this option to connect your cloud storage. So simply click on that Connect Cloud Storage button. So you can connect your cloud storage to your existing account connected to your Pipedrive account. You can also connect a new account for your Pipedrive account through Microsoft Outlook or Google Drive. Now after that, you need to go ahead and set the storage location. After that, you're good to go. So any file or docs that you have created in Pipedrive would be synced to your Google Drive account. So you can basically create files already by clicking on that create button at the top left. And that is how you can basically use Pipedrive Smart Docs. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.